Hello everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's video, we're going to go over the daily breakdown. As I promised you guys, we're going to start doing daily breakdowns of the market so that you can actually see what's really happening as the day unfolds on a daily basis. So that's just that. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share with a few friends of yours if you actually do find value in the video. So we're going to start off with JPX. So we're going to be doing like on the daily breakdowns, we're going to be focusing on 3 time frames, right? Mainly 3 time frames: the daily, 4 hours, and 1 hour, because it's the daily. So obviously we'll be looking for those intraday trades or the swing entry setups, which will be rarely, but most of the times we'll be looking for those intraday trades. And these are the 3 most important time frames. So we're going to start off with JPX on the daily. With JPX on the daily, we can see today we still have 7 hours to go, and the candle is looking kind of dodgy like, meaning it has no momentum. Obviously, since last week, we've been looking for prices to start being bullish. After we got that closure on Thursday, on Friday, unfortunately, prices broke below the lows, didn't close below these lows, but created a lower low, a solid bearish body, obviously. Now, today prices have shown some kind of a bearish momentum, but so far it's doji-like, indicating a lack of momentum. Obviously, we're in a sensitive region. Now, if we look at it from a 4-hour perspective, we can see like prices are still trying to kind of push lower, as this 4-hour just created a lower low below these lows with a solid bearish closure. So what I'm doing here is that on the 1 hour, should prices come back and close below here bearish with a solid bearish candlestick, I'll be looking for sells, because then that will mean that's a continuation. Currently, I'm considering this as a fake out, right? So I'm not really going to take a trade out of this. But should prices go back bearish and close with a solid bearish candlestick below this structure, then I'm taking the trade, because then that will mean the solid or the bears are really in control of the market. And how will that be reflecting on the JPY pairs? That means CAD JPY will obviously continue being bullish, right? CAD JPY will continue being bullish, and Euro JPY will also continue being bullish, which right now it's kind of looking kind of bearish, as you can see. So that's my view. Should prices break below there? And for Euro JPY, I'll be looking for prices to actually break below. No, break above, because then JPX will be bullish, right? Will be bearish. That means this will be bullish. But should prices break below here, that means JPX has a higher probability of, keep on being bullish like that, right? Yeah. Now, we also have DXY. Today, you can see prices have broken below this low, tried to push higher, but then closed above here. Now, if we look at it from a 4-hour perspective, we can see prices closed with some kind of a doji in the last 4 hours. Now, if we look at it from a daily perspective, we can see on Friday, prices closed with a solid bearish candlestick, a bearish engulfing candlestick at that. So what does this mean? If you look at it from a bigger picture, we see like prices are in this bigger picture time frame, or this bigger picture bullish trend. But then if we zoom in this minor trend, we see prices are in a bearish trend. And then if we even go to the lower time frames again, we see prices are some kind of in a bullish trend, because prices are creating higher highs. So my view is that prices are looking to be bullish on DXY. So far, no confirmation on the 4-hour. If we get the confirmation, then we'll be looking to take trades, because you can see here with this kind of bullish move, we didn't get no retracement, right? We didn't get no retracement, and prices did bounce off this structure that aligns with the 0.618. So that was my bullish confirmation that prices right here were most likely going to continue with this bullish trend, because on the bigger picture, you can actually see like prices also broke above this descending trend line. Now this, I'll consider this was the retest after a range of a very long time, right? Because prices on the right hand side always duplicate what happened on the left hand side. So you can see here on the right hand side, prices did have, on the left hand side did have some kind of a range right after that fall, then range, kind of a higher high, then this low, which reciprocates that. And then now it was in a range. So from here, I'll be anticipating at any time prices, you know, to take off and then pump all the way until up there. So that's my view on DXY. I'm anticipating to see prices take off anytime. Today's candle, obviously on Friday closed with the bearish. Today, I'm anticipating to see prices lose this bearish momentum. So today, I don't really think there'll be that much volume in the market. I'll just be anticipating to see prices range so that on the daily, prices can actually close with some kind of a doji or a small inside candle. And then tomorrow, that's when I'm anticipating to see a big breakout. But that's just my view. Now, should prices actually give us a solid 4-hour confirmation, then obviously we'll take the trade. But according to my view, I think that's very unlikely. And if prices do break below here, that means the bears are more in control. Then we'll be looking for sells, because you need to think in terms of probabilities while in the market. Nothing is fixed, nothing is certain. You need to move with how the market is moving. So that's my view on DXY. Mostly my bias is still bullish, but in case this does happen, then we'll be taking the sell. And how will that be affecting other DXY pairs? Obviously, Euro USD will be looking for sells. GU, same thing applies. We'll be looking for sells. After prices hit that, we'll be looking for sells. Gold will also be looking for sells, as it's also inversely correlated to DXY. So that's my short-term breakdown of what I'm anticipating to see happen today in the market. If you found value in this video, consider giving us a like, share with a few friends, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you again tomorrow, same time. Till next time, guys. Appreciate you all. I hope you have a great trading day. Peace.